Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Yaris maintenance light. This light typically illuminates after a certain mileage, reminding you it's time for routine service, such as an oil change. It's important to complete any necessary maintenance before resetting the light. The good news is, you can easily turn it off yourself without needing any special tools or a trip to a mechanic. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, get into your Toyota Yaris. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see your dashboard lights illuminate. Next, find the trip reset knob, usually located near your odometer display. Press this knob repeatedly until your odometer shows either trip or the total ODO mileage. This is a crucial first step to ensure the reset procedure works correctly for your vehicle. Now, with the odometer set, turn your ignition completely off. Next, press and hold the trip reset knob firmly. While keeping the knob pressed, turn the ignition back to the on position, again without starting the engine. Continue to hold the knob down. You will need to hold it for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. This action initiates the maintenance light reset sequence within your Yaris's system. During this process, you will observe the maintenance light flashing. It may then display a series of dashes or zeros which will eventually disappear. Once the light turns off completely, you can release the trip reset knob. To confirm the reset, turn your ignition off, then start your engine as usual. The maintenance light should now be off. Remember, slight variations might exist, so always refer to your owner's manual for your specific Yaris model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.